a boss, I don't work for nobody.
www.freshstudiosworld.com and Nightlife Entertainment presents Ciroc Saturdays, hosted by Trey Cool. This Saturday at the Ace of Spades, 2511 Roebing Road, Akron, Ohio. Celebrating the birthdays of VH1 reality star Delicious, Wes Tucker, Jews R.I.P., and doors open at 10 p.m.
And we'll close that capacity.
Music by DJ Relly 330 and DJ Honey B, with a live performance by the Extreme Paul Trickster, Royalty Mason, and Candace. Ladies free before 11:30 with heels. And birthday card for Delicious, West T, or Choose. Free Ciroc and champagne in the champagne room for women in heels. Courtesy of FreshStudioWorld.com.
What up, Ohio? This your cousin, Miss Delicious. And this Saturday, I'll be coming from D-Town to turn up with you at Ace of Spades. See you there.
For table or bottle service, order reserved by phone. Call 330-564-3688. For more info, go to FreshStudiosWorld.com.
I'm a boss, I don't work for